Hello, children. Welcome for a lovely music session that I've planned for you today. I believe you all are reading and learning about different parts of the world. And I think that is such a beautiful idea. By sitting in your houses, you are exploring our whole wide world. Now, as you are exploring and going to all the different places, you must know something special about each place. Some way that you can say hello to all the people you meet. I wonder how you can actually do that. But I have a song for you, which is got hello in many different languages. There are some languages that are there in some ways that you can say hello is. Can you repeat with me? Say hello. That's in English. Say bonjour. That's in French. Bonjour. Namaste. India. Or in Hindi. Good day. We say it in either English, or we even, a lot of people in England would say it that way. Guten Tag, that is in German. Konnichiwa. Some people in Japanese greet this way. Hello, konnichiwa. Ciao. That's in Spain. And ni hao in Chinese. Savadika in Thai, and in so many different languages that you can actually find out the way people actually say it in different parts of the world. So let's get started and let's go for it. All right. One, catch a rhythm. As always, never start any song without catching a rhythm and without thinking of how you want to sing that song. Okay, you've got a rhythm. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in many different ways. Though some things may be different, we're children just the same, and we all like to sing and play. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. There are children in the deserts and children in the towns and children who live down by the sea. If we could meet each other to run and sing and play, then what good friends we all could be. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Lovely. Now that you know the words of this song, let's say it one slowly at a time. Are you ready? So, let's say it this way. Hello, bonjour, namaste, good day, guten tag. Take your hands on the side and let's say konnichiwa. Keep your hands palms straight. Keep them on the side and let's say konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. That's right. All right. So we live in different places from all around the world. So we all live in very different places and we speak also in many different ways. don't we? Some people speak really fast, some people speak slow, some people speak in so many different languages. But there are some things that will be different, but we all children are just the same, because we all of us, all around the world, we like to sing and play, don't you? That's right. And some of the children, they live in deserts. Some children, deserts is a place where it is very, very hot and you'll see a lot of sand everywhere. So that's where deserts are. So some live in deserts and some children live in towns, different towns like Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Tokyo, Hong Kong, um, Berlin, so many different places around the world. So some children live in deserts, some live in towns, and some children also live down by the sea. So some children live very, very close to the waters, maybe a place like Goa, right? So, and if imagine if you all children could meet each other, how much fun you will all have, because you will have so many things and stories that you can share with each other, and in that way you can be best of friends, right? So let's sing the song one more time and let's get started. One, two. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in many different ways. Though some things may be different, we're children just the same, and we all like to sing and play. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. There are children in the deserts and children in the towns and children who live down by the sea. If we could meet each other to run and sing and play, then what good friends we all could be. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. So there are children from different parts of the world, and we must respect each and every single one of you, right? So how should we do this? Should we learn how to say each word, each phrase? So sing with me, and this is where it comes from. Hello in English. Bonjour in French. Namaste in Hindi. Good day, English. Guten Tag, German. Konnichiwa, Japanese. Ciao, Spanish. Ni hao, Chinese. Savadika, Thai. Right? So there are these different ways. There are actually 9 languages that we just read, maybe 8, because hello and good day is from the same language. So let's try and say that one more time. Let's repeat it. Hello is in English. Bonjour is in French. Namaste is in Hindi. Good day is in English. Guten Tag, German. Konnichiwa, Japanese. Ciao, Spanish. Ni hao, Chinese. Savadika, Thai. So Thai is spoken in Thailand, Chinese is spoken in China and some parts of Hong Kong. Spanish is spoken in Spain. Japanese is spoken in Japan. German is spoken in Germany. Good day, that's in English, and English is spoken in almost all across the world. Namaste, that's Hindi, and that is spoken in India. Bonjour, that's in French, and French is spoken in France, right? And English, you could say, is a universal language. Can you say the word universal? Universal. Universal means it is done everywhere, all around the world. So even if you don't know how to speak in any other language, maybe you can try conversing in English and somebody will understand you even if you don't know the local language there. So when you go abroad anywhere and you say, uh, uh, I don't know how to speak, how can I do it? Try speaking in English. And if you can't, then it's best to learn a new language. Okay, so let's try and sing the song one last time. Okay, are you ready? Let's do the actions. One, two, here we go. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in many different ways. Though some things may be different, we're children just the same, and we all like to sing and play. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, sawadika. Hello to all the children of the world. There are children in the deserts and children in the towns and children who live down by the sea. If we could meet each other to run and sing and play, then what good friends we all could be. Hello, bonjour, namaste. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, ni hao, savadika. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. So as you are doing different parts of the world and you're exploring different places, you can also try thinking and thinking about how can you say hello, right? So imagine, let me give you a little hint. Let me give you a little activity to do. If you go to South America, what would you say to those people? How will you say hello? If you go to um, Australia, how will you say hello to the people in Australia? Is there a way to say hello there? Is there an aboriginal way to say hello? Or if you go to Sri Lanka, what would the language be in Sri Lanka? Or in Nepal, how will you say hello to the people in Nepal? If you go to Afghanistan or if you go to Pakistan, how will you say hello to people there? Is there a different way of saying hello? Just the way we join hands? Is there any other action that other people do? That is something to think about and something to respect in every single culture. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope and I wish that you find out more of these greetings of saying hello, please, thank you, good day, have a nice day, good night. sweet dreams. Something that you can learn in different languages. So, moms and dads, if you know of something, something really special that you can teach your child, please do that. If you've got friends from different nationalities, please introduce your children to different nationalities, introduce them to the globe, etc., and enjoy. And really, really, the best thing to do is to respect every culture, come together, and be one. So, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.